Hey guys, I keep testing the Alcatel WP6 and in this video we will talk about performance of the new smartphone. If you missed, we have already published unboxing and first review video on our channel Tech Brothers. You can watch it by the link in description. Alcatel WP6 is a rugged smartphone, but it has good performance thanks to Helio P70 chipset. So let's run popular benchmarks and play some games. Before we start the performance test, please hit the like button under this video. Thank you! As I already said, Alcatel WP6 is powered by Helio P70 chipset or MediaTek MT6771T. This is octa-core 12nm processor with maximum clock speed of 2.1 GHz. The smartphone also has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory. You can expand the storage with microSD memory card. Okay, now let's run some benchmarks. Of course, I want to start the performance test with AnTuTu, because it is the most popular benchmark test. As you can see, Alcatel WP6 has 182,000 points. That's very good. In Geekbench 4, the new rugged phone from Alcatel has 310 points in single-core test and 1365 points in multi-core test. 3D Mark is another popular benchmark to test 3D performance of mobile devices. As you can see, Alcatel WP6 has 1392 overall score. You may be also interested in memory speed, Wi-Fi speed and GPS. I think everything is fine on this smartphone. I think that's enough to understand the smartphone has quite good performance. But what about games? Let's play some popular Android games. You may have already noticed that I have 3 favorite games: Asphalt 9, PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile. I think these are very good games for performance test of Alcatel WP6. As you can see, the maximum graphics in PUBG Mobile is HD. The smartphone runs very well. I don't see any slowdowns or any other problems. The next game is Asphalt 9. You know, I have been playing for about 20 minutes now, and my hands are really tired, because Alcatel WP6 weighs 380 grams. It is about twice as heavy as any other not rugged smartphone. So you will need to put your hands on the table when you play games. Holding the smartphone in the hands for a long time is hard enough. As you can see, there are no problems with Asphalt 9 on Alcatel WP6. The last game is Call of Duty Mobile. By the way, what is your favorite game? Write in the comments below and we will play it in the next performance test. Call of Duty also runs very well on this smartphone. Alcatel WP6 is a rugged smartphone, but it has very good performance. I didn't find any problems with user interface, benchmark tests and even heavy games. However, the smartphone is quite heavy, so it is better to play games at the table or even buy a gamepad and put the phone on a stand. Thank you for watching this video. In description you will find links to other videos about Alcatel WP6. You should watch them all before buying a smartphone.